Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Here you will find loads of cool stuff. So it is 2018 and I thought it was about time that I updated my channel trailer. So on my channel mostly you'll find makeup tutorials, product reviews, I've thrown in recently some story times. Basically I'm adding in some little vlogs here and there. There is a whole load of cool stuff on this channel. Really, there should be something to suit everybody. If you are interested in beauty or makeup or anything like that at all, then this is the place for you. So don't forget to hit that red subscribe button and turn it grey. Hit the little bell next to it so you won't miss any of my uploads and join the family. This year I've decided that I'm gonna really focus on my channel, so I'm uploading 3 times a week. You will find me on Monday, Wednesday and Friday. There's no set time. If you've clicked that bell, you will be notified when my video uploads, so don't worry, you won't miss out on anything. I'm a fully qualified beauty therapist and makeup artist, and I love doing tutorials, and when I can afford to buy makeup, then I will always do product reviews for you. I'll do first impressions, wear tests, I'll do proper full-blown reviews, and then switching it up, we'll do lots of skincare. So if I ever get a new skincare product, I'll test it out. I like testing masks and things like that. I do tend to go on holiday once every year, maybe 2 years, and I love taking you guys along with me. So this year, hopefully I'll be taking you back on holiday with me again. I've started sharing some of my stories. My memory sucks, as you'll know if you've watched my videos before, but if I can think of stories or something comes crashing back to me, then I will be recording it and putting it up for you. Any sort of cool experiences I have, I'll share with you guys. Things to do with salon life, things to do with being a beauty therapist or esthetician. I hope I'm saying that right, if you're in America. And if you wanted to see anything else on my channel, I really hope that you will comment down below and let me know what you would like to see from me in the future. I really hope that you subscribe and join me on this journey. It's been a great first 2 years on YouTube, so here is to many, many more, and I really hope to be able to share them with you guys. So don't forget to click that button. If it's red, make it grey, and I will leave some of my favourite videos in the description and up in the tags for you, and of course as end screen cards. So don't forget to go and watch them after you've seen this video, and I will see you either Monday, Wednesday or Friday.